Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Do Data Always. Today we are going to start with how we can install Power BI Desktop. So just before that, I will try to introduce myself. I'm Anup. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and I have over 8.5 years of experience in data and analytics and as well as AI and also some Power Platform technology. Now, in this first lecture, what we are trying to do here is we are trying to install the Power BI desktop. Yes, the most happening tool in the market right now is Power BI, and we are going to start with our lecture series with Power BI. Now, we know that Power BI desktop is the most important tool for all the data analysis, and it is very easy to visualize. Now, without any further delay, I'll show you how we can install Power BI. Now, first I'll go to Google and I'll just try to search as Power BI desktop download. Yes, now I'm here. As soon as I search Power BI desktop download, we have got the first link which opens here, and I can also show you the second link, which is quite similar to it. Now, if you see here, we have got a lot of analysis that can be done here with the help of Power BI as it says on the screen. And if I scroll down, I will be having an option to see its version number, file name, and also the date on which it is published, the latest update that we have got. And we have got simple ways in which a Power BI or the process of Power BI happens here. Now you can see here, get data, creating relationships, creating reports, saving your reports. And also, if I just expand the system requirements, I'll be having Power BI Desktop, which is available for both 32-bit and as well as the 64-bit here. Now, if you're using a Windows 8 and above machine, this is the initial requirement that happens to be for the Power BI installation. And we have got Windows 10 or Windows 11, which is running in the market right now, and it requires Internet Explorer 10 or greater than that. So it's a simple installation procedure that we have got. I'll show you how we can download the Power BI desktop. This is the 64-bit what I'm installing right now, and I can click on download option, which is showing you at the moment. You see the file size here, which is 544.7 MB, which is the file size that we have got at the moment, and it's downloading, and it's going to take at least 30 seconds of time to initiate the download. Now, as a beginner level one, you can see here I have generally got the download option which is running in the back end part of it, which you can see here, which is taking at least 8 minutes or 9 minutes or 10 minutes of my time, which will show you a complete picture of how we can download it and we can install it as well. Now, there are other ways in which you can download it as well. Now, if I can open the Windows Store here, this is the Windows Store. What we have got here, as soon as I type Windows, we have got all the related updates that we have got here. Or what I'll try to do here is I'll try to see opening it as a store. This is the Microsoft Store, or we call it as a Windows Store here. I'll be opening it right in front of you. And here we have got a lot of applications. Now that's a way simple .exe installation. Or what you can try to do here is we can search it from the App Store, which is called as Power BI Desktop. Yes, I have searched it and I have got a lot of search results, which will be opening at the moment here. And what I'll try to do here is this is the first one which you have got. You have also got other things at the moment, and my part here is to get the Power BI desktop, which is there here. Now, as you can see here, this is where you have a desktop directly, or you just have to wait for it to download. There are many ways in which you can get it. You can click on get as an option here. You see it's revolving, which says that it is checking for dependencies and it's waiting for its turn. to install it. Yes, it is preparing to download, getting all the files ready, and we have got few things which we can line up here. Now, as soon as I switch my screen here, I'll show you what Power BI does here. So as I keep on telling you that Power BI, which was started in the year 2016. Now, if you see the history of Power BI here, we have got Microsoft BI. So earlier part when there was SQL Server 2008, that was initially when we moved to the data domain. We had 2008 version of SQL Server, and later we have moved on to MSBI platforms, where we have got three different integration services that we have got. That is the SSIS, and we have got SSAS, the analysis service, and we have got SSRS, which is nothing but the reporting services. Now, all the three services that we have got here, we have got integration. Next, we have got analysis, and we have got the SSRS, what I'm trying to show you here, which is for the reporting part. Yes, this is where it all started, and we are going to move towards the reporting part. And from the reporting part, where it was quite difficult, when you see, if you move 2 decades earlier, we have got the earlier ones, which was completely related to the IT analyst, where you had to develop a report, you have to go to him and you have to request him to get a report being done. And if you want to move towards the next, the new age part or the new age technologies that comes here, so we totally rely upon the drag and drop techniques or the technologies that comes here. So one such tool under the Power Platform technologies. Why am I naming this as a Power Platform technology? Because not only the reporting part, we have also got Power Apps. Yes, we will come to that. Next, we have also got Power Automate, which is for automating most of the processes. And the third one we are interested at the moment here is, which is Power BI. Yes, these are the technologies that are quite important, quite relevant to new age technologies that we are dealing here. And as I told you that the first version was released in the year 2016. Now, if I switch back to the year 2025, so here where we have got all the related new age technologies, AI integrations, AI services that are relevant to the Microsoft tool here. This is one of the integrations that we will be looking in, where we have got the cloud-based integrations here, which is nothing but the Azure AI technologies and also the Power BI technologies integrated together in the year 2025. Now we have got all these technologies which are integrated, and we are trying to see here with the integrations part of Azure technologies. And right now, we have got the new age tools that are coming in the market right now, as I highlighted, and we are going to see that in a while. Now, if I switch over to the installations here, so this is where we have got 4.3 MB, which is installing, and I'll just stop this at the moment. And what I'll try to do here is I will go to the downloads part directly, and we have got the downloads part, which is another 2 minutes of time which is left for it to download. Yes, I'll currently download it, and what I'll try to do here is I'll open the Power BI desktop, which is completely related to it. And now what I'm trying to do here is if I click on the Power BI desktop download, you can see that it will directly go to the Microsoft Store and it will be downloaded. Now, as you see here, we have also got other technologies, or we call it as applications, which are there. So where we have got a suite of applications. So not only Power BI is having a free tool, which is nothing but Microsoft Power BI, and it is directly used for developing reports, ETL integrations, and other related like stuff that we want to do here in Power BI. So not only restricting to it, but we also have got relevant technologies that would come here, and directly we can install it from the relevant download patterns that we have got, right? So will wait for few minutes of time or few seconds of time, sorry. another 20-30 seconds, we will be able to do it. And do subscribe to this channel, do data always. And we will be uploading lots of content related to data analytics, Python, SQL, and everything. And that will make your data analytics or data scientist journey to be a much more easier one. So I'll try to double click it, and I have got the download options here. And what I'll try to do here is I'll try to open the download history, open the file that we have got here, and open the option. I'll double click it. Yes, it is installing at the moment. We just have to wait for a few minutes of time. It's directly installing from a .exe file. Yes, I just have to uh, run right now. Yes, I'm running it at the moment. I just have to click on next, and I will be installing the setup wizard, which is quite simple and easy to install for a Power BI uh, software or a Power BI option that we have got here. I have clicked it twice. I'll just try to close this one. Okay, I think just share the screen right now again. Yes, I have got here. All right. So now it's installing at the moment. Just give me a couple of minutes of time. Or maybe due to, okay. So now we have installed it. It's just a simple drag and drop options that we have got, and we are trying to install it directly. So, okay. So now what we have got here is a simple Power BI software that is being installed. Yes. Just a moment, guys. I think it's taking a bit of time to install it. It's preparing to install because I had clicked it twice. Okay. Just okay. I accept the terms and the license conditions. Yes, I will be installing it, creating a desktop shortcut, and I'll be installing it at the moment. Okay, so we have just installed it. It's copying new files at the moment. I just gave an introduction to Power BI desktop installation as well, and it's taking a bit of time due to the system installation and all, and it's gonna take as usual a bit of time as we have got. Okay, so we have finished it, and right now it's slowly installing everything at the moment here, and we have got Power BI Desktop installed as an application. As I just opened this, we have got the Power BI Desktop application, which opens. Yes, this is a video desktop. I repeat, it's upon slowly starting to download and install it. Okay, that was for the installation of Power BI Desktop, and thank you everyone for seeing this video. Do subscribe. Thank you.